Let us see ninth question from exercise 8.1 of the chapter Trigonometry. Here question is, in triangle ABC right angle at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A into cos C plus cosA into sin C, and second cosA into cos C minus sin A into sin C. In any right angle triangle like this, right angle at B, so this is 90 degree, correct? Tan A is given here, tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, correct? And we know that tan A is equal to perpendicular by base. Okay, so let P is equal to 1 into K, means K, and base is equal to root 3 times of K. Then ratio of K and root 3K means tan A, means P by B will be 1 by root 3, since K will be cancelled out. Okay, so here P and B are given, and you know that with respect to this angle A, opposite side is perpendicular and the adjacent side AB is base. So first of all we have to find out H here, correct? H means AC. So by Pythagoras theorem, you know that AC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square, and this is equal to square root of AB means base we have taken here. So we have taken here AB is equal to root 3K and BC is equal to K. So AB square means root 3K whole square and BC square means K square. This is equal to 3K square plus K square, means root over 4K square. This is equal to 2K. So we are getting here AC is equal to 2K. Okay. Now let us find sin A into cos C plus cosA into sin C. First question, we have to find sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C, correct? Sin is always perpendicular by base. So with respect to this angle A, perpendicular is BC. Okay, understood? With respect to this acute angle, perpendicular is opposite side. So sin A is BC by AC into cos C. With respect to this angle C, this is perpendicular and this is base, and cos of any angle theta is base by hypotenuse. So with respect to this angle C, we are considering cos C here. So cos C, this is perpendicular and this is base. So B by H means BC by AC, correct? Plus cos A into sin C. Cos is B by H, but with respect to this angle A, this is base. Okay, so cos A is base by hypotenuse, means AB by AC into sin C. So with respect to this angle C, sin is P by H. You know, sin theta is P by H. So sin C with respect to this angle C, perpendicular is AB. This is AB and hypotenuse is AC, correct? So what we are getting here, this is BC square by AC square plus AB square by AC square, correct? AC square is LCM here, so this is BC square plus AB square divided by AC square. And BC square means how much? BC is K. So in numerator K square and here AB square. AB square is root 3K whole square. Root 3K whole square divided by AC square. AC is how much? AC is 2K. So 2K whole square. Correct? And this is K square plus 3K square divided by 4K square. So this is 4K square by 4K square. This is equal to 1. So we are getting this value is equal to 1. This is the answer of the first part. Similarly, you can try second part also. This is very simple. Second part is cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. And cos is B by H. And with respect to this angle A, B is AB. So this is cos A is AB by AC, and cos C with respect to this angle C, base is BC. So this is BC by AC minus sin A into sin C. Sin is P by H. So with respect to this angle A, P is BC. So sin A is BC by hypotenuse AC into sin C. So with respect to this angle C, this is perpendicular. So sin C is AB by AC. Understood? Very simple. Don't worry. AB by AC. Correct? And this is equal to AB into BC upon AC square minus BC into AB upon AC square. Here AC square is common in both the denominators. So this will be LCM AC square, and numerator AB into BC minus BC into AB. So AB into BC and BC into AB will be cancelled out. So this is equal to 0. This is the answer of the second part. Okay? Understood? Is very simple. Okay. So remain in touch with these videos. We have to see some more questions. And please share these videos with your friends also. Wish you all the best.